So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to reset Zanussi Dishwasher, cancel drain reset, error clear and restart. So how to reset Zanussi Dishwasher, cancel drain reset, error clear and restart. To cancel a cycle and drain water, press and hold the on off or reset button for 3 seconds until the display clear. To clear a persistence error, unplug the dishwasher from the wall or flip the circuit breaker for 10 minutes to perform a hard reset. Cancel drain reset. Model with a dedicated reset or cancel button. Press and hold the reset or cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then integrated models. Open the door, then press and hold the on off button for 3 seconds. The display clear, returning the appliance to program selection mode. Multi button panel. Look for two program buttons linked by a printed line labeled reset or cancel. Open the option and delay buttons. Press and hold them simultaneously for 3 seconds. Once reset, the dishwasher will automatically engage the drain pump for about 1 to 2 minutes. Do not open the door until the humming stops. Second one is hard reset to clear stubborn error code. Cut the power, unplug the appliance directly from the wall socket. If the plug is inaccessible, flip off the dedicated circuit breaker in your fuse box. Wait 10 minutes. Leave the power completely disconnected for 10 full minutes. This lets internal capacitor fully discharge. Plug it back in, restore power. Initiate a cycle. Turn the dishwasher on, select a short program and press start to verify that the control system has cleared. Third one is clear common error and unstick the pump. In I-20 or 2 beeps, the machine times out because it cannot empty water. Twist out the cylindrical filter assembly at the bottom basin. Wash away food slim under a tape. Reach into the empty sump area to check for trapped debris like fruit seed or plastic wrap pieces obstructing the small white pump impeller. I-30 or 3 beeps. Internal safety switches have dedicated water leaking into the bottom protective tray. Safely pull the machine forward, tilt it backward at a 45-degree angle and collect the leaking base water into a towel. Once dry, the I-30 or 3 beeps. Anti-flood protection. Internal safety switches have detected water leaking into the bottom protective tray. Safely pull the machine forward, tilt it backward at a 45-degree angle and collect the leaking base water with a towel. Once dry, the anti-flood switch dropped back down, automatically resetting the system. Thank you.